Just got a text from Idaho Hillbilly. It never fails, you know. When we lose service, I get one from him or Preston or somebody else and can't answer back. A little bit worried to see what they've done up here. All of this is marked for timber sale. They've been clear cutting up here. I haven't been up here for a little bit, and last time we were, it was kind of looking a little bad. So this is the scarecrow cutoff. I've showed countless times. This little cabin is the scarecrow cabin. I don't know why. I imagine they're going to pick them up, but they've clear cut all these logs, trees, piled them up. Most of this is new. There's a big log deck right there. Let's see. Bouncy. Big lock deck right there. There's another one there, less a slash pile, and right behind that tree was a skidder. It's supposed to be a 3-year logging operation. Like I said, it's got me kind of worried. I don't know what this is all gonna look like. It was always so pretty up here, but all of that hillside was thick timber. Boy, the road's dusty. I don't know, nothing I can do about it. In a lot of states, Oregon and Washington and stuff, they do a lot of clear cutting in squares, which is pretty ugly, but they do it in a grid pattern. And if there is a forest fire, it can't get very far before it runs into a clear cut, and they got a better chance of putting it out. When we first moved here in 1991, they were still doing a lot of logging, but they did it in puzzle shapes. So from a distance, it just looked like, you know, kind of a big meadow or something. It wasn't ugly. Squares I don't much like. But anyway, I'm glad to see they're cutting it again to try to do something about the forest fires. I just hope they don't overdo it. We already lost 130,000 plus acres in that fire 2 years ago, and now they're going to cut down a lot of these. Wait and see what they do, I guess. All these burnt trees. The timber sales might have stopped this, or at least slowed it down. It's a little bit late now. Okay, you little chicken thief. Yeah, let's take you up over here. Yeah, he's ornery. Coming? He is. He's ornery. We've had friendlier ones, that's for sure. Well, he should be fine here. He's got a creek here and stuff. And There ought to be something around somewhere for him to eat. Hey, little turd. Huh?
You've got the smoothies.
Guess he thinks he's hid, huh?
Not really worried, is he?
No, he's not. Well, good luck, little guy. There's no domestic chickens back here. Find a grouse or two. Well, he's on his own. Oh, well, I'll tell you, the smoke is rolling in and wind's blowing real hard. We're going to get some firewood, but I don't know, the way the wind's blowing, I'm not sure I want to cut a tree unless we can find one that's already down. Look at the sun up there. That's kind of neat. The smoke really makes it look red. You can smell it really heavy too. Well, the wind died down a little, so we got a little dab. It ain't a lot, but it's something. Smoke rolled in. You can't see nothing. Mountains are over in here. The river down there. No sign of any of it. I don't know if we got a new fire or if we just kicked another one up or just what. Anyway, thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.